Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you? I hope you guys will be in best condition of health and doing well and enjoying your life. Our today video is about beautiful and stylish and very amazing hand painted cardinal birds painting for Christmas day. So dear viewers, please watch the video till end. By watching this video till end, you will see very beautiful and very stunning paintings of cardinal birds. You can make these paintings for your home and for the beautiful decoration of your home. So dear viewers, you can make these beautiful and stylish cardinal birds painting with oil paint colors, with watercolors and with poster colors also. Dear viewers, these beautiful paintings will enhance your house beauties on Christmas day. So you must try these beautiful and stunning paintings of cardinal birds to make your Christmas day more delighted. So dear viewers, if you want to see more videos related to cardinal birds painting, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will try to upload videos on those more paintings ideas. So dear viewers, see you soon with latest content. Stay connected with my YouTube channel for latest information. Take care till next video. I will catch you soon with latest content. Till then, take care and keep in touch with my YouTube channel.